Greetings I bring to you, investors. This is a juicy offer of 30 acres, happily fenced, located along Dangote Refinery. The land is facing the express down to the lagoon. It's facing down to the lagoon. And it is just less than a minute to Lacapain Tropicana and about 10 minutes drive to Dangote Refinery. It can be used for any purpose, and it's a table land, and of course it also comes with a lovely title. It is a governor consent, and this land at the moment is presently going for 15 million naira per plot. So interested, please reach out to us. Thank you.